Wild lettuce is quite beautiful and comes in many different varieties and colors. One of the things that would be nice to grow indoors is vegetable plants. For example, these jalapeno plants are a compact variety called potapeño, and 74 days from seed, they are still fairly compact and starting to bud up nicely. Tomato plants are also a nice thing to have indoors. Fresh tomatoes taste so much better than in the store. And here we are, 39 days also, with a wonderful set of blossoms and soon to have little green tomatoes. But let's talk about cucumbers. Most cucumbers outdoors can be 8-foot long rambling vines, but this is a compact variety that is called quick snack. It is also 39 days from seed. Remarkably, there are baby cucumbers forming all over the vines right now. And hiding underneath the leaves are even more cucumbers. Almost every flower that you see there has a small cucumber. This variety, called quick snack, is gynococcus, all-female, and parthenocarpic, not requiring bees for pollination, perfect for indoors. This tubing that's connecting to the garden is from a reservoir that keeps the water topped off automatically using a Hudson float valve. The light is 40 watts and will not cover a 4-foot by 4-foot area. So one of the things that I like to do is keep the plant fairly compact. If there's any vines that start to trail over the edge, I try to prune those and keep the plant more centered underneath that grow light. A benefit of that is when I prune off the ends of the vines, I can take that end piece, put it in water, and root it, and then I could start another plant, which will save me time versus going from seed when it comes time to replace the mother plant. Since the size of the vine will not support 15 baby cucumbers, it's a good idea to come in and to prune off some of the excess and allow 3 or 4 to come to maturity. The plant will quickly put on more cucumbers, and this will allow it to put all of its energy into a few cucumbers, and they will swell up much faster than if all 15 baby cucumbers were allowed to stay on the vine. One other tip is, as the leaves start to age, you can come in and you could just clip off that bigger leaf, because underneath there'll be more baby leaves that will start to form and to grow out in size, and that will keep the plant much healthier. It's kind of like the plant's way of having a solar panel, and as the solar panels age, replacing those with new ones, and it puts vigor back into the plant. One other tip for keeping perpetual harvest of cucumbers is to have smaller gardens, such as these 10-watt units, and to have the clones growing in the smaller gardens. It'll put them much farther along in terms of their maturity, and when it comes time to swap out that mother plant, you'll gain a lot more productivity by saving time. So there you have it. Faster maturity, smaller containers, steady supply of water and nutrients, and selecting the right varieties and plant care. It's something that everybody can do, and this hopefully will help you get involved with indoor gardening as opposed to only outdoor gardens.